Namaskar, how are you all doing? Hi, this is Anita Ajay Pai, and I'm a tarot card reader, a holistic healer, and a practitioner of various holistic sciences. Okay, so people who watch my YouTube channel, they would know, they would have definitely observed that the last 15 days, starting from 1st of July, I haven't uploaded any videos absolutely. Not that I didn't have a content to upload or anything, it's just that I thought I'll take a break because something got into me while scrolling through the reels on Insta. One of the reels came up explaining why Bhagwan Shri Vishnu goes into Yoga Nidra and why does he take a break and things like that. So that actually worked on me, and I also thought that जब भगवान खुद योग निद्रा में जाते हैं और वो ब्रेक लेते हैं अपने कामों से, तो व्हाई नॉट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स? हम कौन से महान हैं? हमको भी तो ब्रेक की ज़रूरत होती है. हमको भी अपना एक we have to change ourselves, we have to evolve ourselves, we need to upgrade ourselves. And it could be just by resting, by relaxing, or maybe some knowledge update, or maybe just taking a break from everything and then going into the deepest introspection where you would realize what is the future for you, what you want to really do in life. Be in the present moment, enjoy the moment, and live to the fullest. So I was just having all these thoughts and things, and then I finally decided, or sorry, not decided, I made a choice of not uploading any videos or not recording any videos. But then I realized, भाई हम तो इंसान ही हैं, खाना पीना तो चलना है. So we can't be on a break for a longer period. We have to get back to our work. We have to do our daily work. And doing tarot is one of the most important passion of mine. I really enjoy pulling out cards, though I was doing it for my clients in person, whoever used to approach me, or my regular clients, but then I wasn't doing it for the online portals. So right now this video is all about explaining that it's good to take a break. You need a break for yourself because too much of monotonous work only puts you into the boring stand, and then you start questioning, मैं कर क्या रही हूँ अपनी ज़िंदगी में, मैं क्या ही कर रही हूँ या क्या ही कर रहा हूँ. सो इतना दूर तक मत जाओ. इतना दूर होने से पहले, इतना बोर होने से पहले ब्रेक ले लिया करो. थोड़ा सा खुली सांस लो. Just go out, breathe in, because all the stuff what we absorbed these days, may it be on the internet or on the TV or any mode, people are extremes. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहते हैं, हर चीज़ में मैनिफेस्ट वाला वर्ड यूज़ कर देते हैं. आई रियली डोंट नो इफ दे रियली अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड मैनिफेस्ट. और कुछ लोग होते हैं, यार ये सब कुछ नहीं होता है, इट्स वेरी वेरी नेगेटिव. दे ओनली से कि बहुत बुरा होने वाला है, ये होने वाला है, वो होने वाला है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. दे ओनली मटेरियलाइज ऑन द नेगेटिव थिंग्स. सो वी आर seeing extremes in the current era at least. पहले के ज़माने में शायद ऐसा नहीं होता था. एटलीस्ट जब हम छोटे थे और हमारे माँ बाप हमें कुछ भी सिखाते थे, एक्सट्रीम्स नहीं होता था. आजकल तो हर चीज़ में एक्सट्रीम्स देखने को मिल रहा है. तो मैं बस इतना ही बोलूँगी, माई ओनली रिक्वेस्ट इज़ पॉज, बी इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. इतना एक्सट्रीम होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक्चुअली ये जो भी प्रोसेस है, जो भी पोलैरिटी है, गुड एंड बैड वाला, ये हम लोगों ने ही बनाया है, प्रकृति ने नहीं बनाया है. प्रकृति ने हर चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट किया है, और ये बात बहुत क्लियरली एविडेंट है. एक वन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स में मैंने ये सुना था, और एक काफ़ी साल पहले मैंने सुना था, व्हेन आई वाज मे बी इन कॉलेज डेज और समथिंग, दैट अ सन शाइन्स ऑन अ रेपिस्ट एंड ऑन अ प्रीस्ट इक्वली. When the God himself does not differentiate, who the hell are you and I to differentiate? So ये चीज़ मैंने गांठ बांध के रख ली. इसका मतलब ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि let the crime increase or let the other things do. I mean, it's not for me to decide. That's not for me and you to decide. I'm just telling here that it's okay. You can be in the world of polarity. Good and bad is necessary. Everything is fine. Yet my only request here is, just be in the moment, pause a bit, and see what exactly do you want to do in your life. How do you want to create your life? What will help you grow in your life? That's what matters more than anything else. Don't be in the extreme thing. Don't literally grind yourself in the duality. It's okay in whatever you feel, be at that moment and then move on. भले अभी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, अगले 2 मिनट के बाद आपको बुरा लग सकता है. इट्स परफेक्टली फाइन टू फील वॉट एवर यूर फीलिंग, बट please understand at that moment whatever you're feeling, why are you feeling, and what will change, what you should do to change that feeling. So this is all you need to remember and remind yourself that it's okay to be not okay. It's okay to be completely okay, and it's okay to take a break, pause a bit, breathe in, inhale, exhale, and relax. कहीं भी कुछ भी भागा नहीं जा रहा है. Everything will happen at its given time, at its course. You don't have to struggle and juggle so much in life. That's what is my understanding, and giving this message. Obviously tarot and oracle reading करती हूँ तो बिना cards के कैसे जाऊँ, right? So I have to give you some message. Let me see. I have chosen the deck Soul Truth सेल्फ अवेयरनेस कार्ड डेक, अभी जिसकी मुझे बहुत ज़रूरत है. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ तो लगता ही है. So let's see what's the question that arises from these beautiful cards for us to delve into and stay in it till the time we get that what will give us happiness, what will give us peace and tranquility, right? So the question here is, where can I ask for more help in my life? And here the answer is, until we can receive with an open heart, we are never really giving with an open heart. So when we attach judgment to receiving help, we knowingly or unknowingly catch judgment to giving help. So a question tha, where can I ask for more help in my life? So if you are having this thought ki who is going to help me, how am I going to get a help, and whatever it is, the first thought you need to really ponder on is, am I giving without a judgment? Because when you give with a judgment, you will obviously receive with a lot of judgment, and whatever comes with a judgment will not give you satisfaction or understanding of exactly what it would actually wanted to offer you. मतलब जब भी हम किसी को कुछ देते हैं तो पूरे दिल से दें, बिना कुछ जजमेंट के, बिना कुछ थॉट प्रोसेस के. बस मांगा उन्होंने या नहीं मांगा तो भी आप अपनी मर्जी से दो, बिना कोई थॉट के. तो जब आपको कोई भी मदद रिसीव होना है या हेल्प रिसीव होना है, वो भी बिना जजमेंट के आएगा. तो इट विल रियली हेल्प यू ग्रो एंड इवॉल्व द वे यू वांट. सो टुडे आस्क समवन फॉर हेल्प एंड रिसीव इट विद एन ओपन हार्ट. अगर आपको किसी से अपने किसी को कुछ मांगा है तो बस पूरे दिल से मांगिए. जजमेंट मत रखिए, अरे ये देगा कि नहीं, या ये मेरे लिए करेगा कि नहीं, या कैसे दिल से देगा, कैसे मन से देगा. ये सब आपको चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बस आपने मांगा, दिया, बहुत खुशी से ले लो. नहीं दिया तो भी accept it with a lot of grace and receive it with a lot of grace. No matter it is with wish, without wish, the person gives you or doesn't give you, your work is to ask for help without having any judgment. Okay? And the mantra is, I ask for what I want and I'm open to receiving it. So I ask for what I want and I'm open to receiving it. I hope this helped, and hopefully I'll restart my videos soon, and you will get to see more of the readings and more of the tarot messages and oracle card messages. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, whatever time of the day you're watching this video, wherever you are and however it is. May God bless you, and remember to love yourself. Take care.